look at what the cat done dragged in. It's back. Glambytai is back. I'm back, bitches. I'm back and I'm better. I want you better than fun. All right, anyway. Yeah, I'm excited to be back. I have another wig video from Luvwin hair. The wig, y'all, they're putting these natural textured edges on these wigs, child. And I done got my hands on one, so listen. I'm gonna do it in motherfucking do. If y'all wanna see how I install this wig, then just keep watching. Alright, we're gonna start with our little bald cap. Y'all see me cut my little ear tabs out, so I can do that. I'm gonna take this Ibbing Bond spray and spray it all over my hairline. Of course, a little bit before my hairline. Alright, so then we go get the cap. The cap is completely covered our hair. Yeah, I'm also going to be using some Ebin Lace Tint Spray in the color medium brown, which you guys will see in a minute once I'm done spraying my whole head. Okay, here it is. I use this on all my wigs, so I'm just gonna spray it on the inside of my wig. Y'all, child, this is hard to show on camera, but you get the gist. You just spray it, okay? Don't spray too much because it'll be too dark. Don't spray a little bit amount because you kind of want it to cover. You want coverage, okay? So boom, once my cap is completely dry, I'm just taking some scissors and cutting it off. You can use an eyebrow razor, but I just didn't. I don't know why I didn't. I usually do. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, I'm putting the back of that back, and I love this wig. It did come with the straps, but the back of it has like this material that I showed you guys, and it grips onto the back of your head. And I have a teeny tiny head, so the wig wasn't going nowhere. I don't do anything to the back of my head, but I put a little comb in it, maybe some bobby pins, call it a day. Y'all, this wig, I was having my Shaka Khan moment. Okay, get into it. I was having a Shaka Khan moment. The hair was so big and so full, and I was just like, what in the hell? I think I really do love the texture of this hair because it's giving very much natural blowout, you know? Okay, I don't even think I gave y'all some information about the wig, but yeah, let's get into it. It's a kinky straight wig. It has 4C edges. 4C edges. Girl, my real edges ain't even 4C, so definitely this was a first for me, okay? I only hot combed the back, the middle part, yeah, because I didn't really want no edges around there. But y'all, this lace is a 13x6. Yeah, she's full under the hood, okay? I was running out of lace glue when I was trying to do this install, so yeah, I'm scraping up scraps to get this install done, okay? Anyway, putting it all over my head, making it nice and smooth. There's my eyebrow razor that I said I couldn't find. Well, I don't know why I didn't use it, but anyway, I didn't have enough lace glue because I was scraping up scraps, but I got a new one, okay? So don't chew me up. So I just ended up using the Ibin Hold Spray, and I just, sprayed that also with the one little layer of glue that I did. And then I'm putting the wig directly on my head, and yeah, I didn't do anything to the edges. Nothing. We didn't touch the edges. We left them exactly how they are. So now I am just taking my elastic band, tying that down, making sure it's nice and tight, making sure my ears are bleeding because that's literally how tight we fucking put it. And now we're going to get into straightening this hair. I was a little nervous because it's thick, okay? And I was worried about the hair feeling heavy. It didn't feel heavy. It was pretty light. I used my flat iron all the way on 450, I think. Girl, it was hot. I was testing the shit out of this hair. Is it good? Is it gonna burn off? Is it really human hair? You know what I'm saying? But she held through. I can't even be mad at her. She did her thing. So I probably did 1 or 2 passes with each strand because, like I said, the hair is thick. And I didn't put no product in it at all. I'm just using a little chase method where I put the comb underneath the flat iron, and I run it down, and look, shiny, voluminous. She straightened out really, really well, which I was kind of iffy about. Do y'all see the smoke on her head? Yeah, my flat iron is hot, but she got the job done. After I was done flat iron on one side, bro, I realized the wig had a hump. It had a hump, it had an unch, that shit was hot. But anyway, she had a little bump. So I took my hot comb and I'm trying to flatten her out the best way I possibly could. Now, when you touch it, there's nothing there. There's no braid. There's no wig cap that's bunched up. Like, it was literally nothing. So I don't know why the fuck I had a hump in the middle of my goddamn wig. But y'all know me, I'm gonna finesse everything, okay? I'm going to finesse everything, and I flattened it out eventually. Okay, so the only thing that I hot combed was that middle section of the wig. Everything else, I left the edges exactly how it was. And yeah, this is what it looks like. My ears were fucking hurting after this. But I mean, if your ears aren't hurting, your band's not tight enough, the lace ain't melting enough. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here I am finally using my goddamn eyebrow razor to actually cut the lace off. I did have like a little cast to it, so y'all know what I'm gonna do. Take a little bit of makeup, cover that up. I just used like some contour powder that I had from Morphe, and I just, you know, pat it on there. I do have ruby kisses, but I don't necessarily like theirs. But yeah, this does a trick. So here I'm just taking out my edges and pulling all my edges out. Mind you, I didn't do nothing to them, so this is the natural texture of the edges. And I'm just separating them, and I'm combing the rest of the hair back. Hot combing it back. Hot combing it back. Get a nice flat foundation. You know what I'm saying? Now that I did that, I'm going to take my band and I'm going to tie it down, having our edges out. Okay, we want the edges to be out this time. Putting my band back on, and actually starting to see where the fuck I'm going to do, like, what's the style for today, okay? I basically just did like a little side part swoop. Yeah, side part swoop, honey bun. Yes, we did it. Flattening out the side, and honestly, now that I'm looking back at it, I should have did the other side, because this is the side that has the hump. No bueno. I did go ahead and cut the ends, and y'all will see why. I had a style in my head and I thought it was gonna come out that way, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I cut the ends off. I just cut it blunt, straight, like simple, okay? And I wanted this specifically for this look. So now we're just cutting our edges, cut them. I did not curl them or do anything. I literally just took eyebrow razor and cut them, and then I used my Eco Styler gel, the green one, the olive oil one, and I'm putting that all over the edges, and I'm just going to use the edge brush that they gave me, and I'm going to swoop them. So that's it. All I did was use Eco Styler gel. Like, in total, for all the products that I use on this wig, it was literally just the Eco Styler gel.
Show me all the things that you done show me in a special way. I feel when you're homie, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what she told me, and I believe it, 'cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
So now I'm gonna style her. I'm taking out like a section that I'm gonna put back as our bang, and I'm gonna put the rest up. And honestly, I was feeling it. I like the little ponytail with the little bang out. But anyway, tying the rest of it back, and all I did was smooth it out. I didn't put like a whole bunch of hella like crazy freeze spray or nothing like that to tie the bang down. I feel like it didn't need it, so I just pinned it back with some bobby pins, swooped it back. And yeah, you could tie it all the way back to the back of the wig, but I just did it to the side because I feel like I wasn't going to keep the style in that long. But yeah, I put the rest of the hair down, and this is why I had cut the ends like so bluntly. I know it looks crazy, but I'm going to bump them outward, okay? Like away from you, bump them away from you. And I feel like I would have did this style like with just like a straight texture. It probably would have came out a lot better, but I feel like it still looks good even with the kinky straight texture. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it exactly how it is. I bumped all of the ends, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished result. Boom, bitch. She's a bad bitch, okay? The wig is not heavy at all. It's super light, but I will have everything that, you know, all the details to the wig linked in the description below. Make sure y'all check that out. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.